Good evening.
Good evening. So, what's your good name?
My name is Sitara TS.
Okay. May I know where are you from?
Ma'am, I am from Kerala
Okay. Why have you applied for best manager?
because I believe I have the quality to become a best manager.
What are the qualities you have?
I have good communication skills.
Okay.
I can lead a group efficiently. Then I can handle situations. In any situation, I can handle it because I see challenges as opportunity for my growth.
Have you led any group before?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me an example.
Recently, our Kerala University we are selected for the National Business Plan this Business Plan Championship at IIM Bangalore with a workshop. They come and select a few, and I led the group of 5 to the National Business Plan Championship.
Okay. You have attended the national level tech symposium, right? In Bangalore. So, you led the team. At the last point, whenever you have registered, and at the last point, if 2 of the team members is cancelling the program, how would you react to them?
Ma'am, I would encourage them what is their problem, why are they withdrawing, and I would do my best because our team is to be presented, that is proud of our team and our college. So I would not pressurize them. I would analyze their problem and give solution, and we together will present as a team. Ma'am, not audible, ma'am, sorry.
How do you handle conflict with your team members?
Ma'am, a conflict can be solved only by open conversations because open conversation, I can be a mediator between the conflicting employees and an open conversation between them. As I am a mediator, I should also be present there. I would hear both of their sides and will come to a solution, ma'am.
What is your goal?
Ma'am, I want to be a teacher.
Becoming a leader, best manager, how will you think it will apply for a teacher?
Because, ma'am, we know that India, our country, is the first country with the human resources, and the youth is the asset of our country. As a teacher, I should lead these young resources for the growth and development of the country. So, as a teacher, it's my responsibility to lead that young assets to the growth and development.
In your point of view, what is stress?
What, ma'am? Sorry?
In your point of view, what is stress?
Ma'am, stress is a psychological situation which gives us some tension, which gives us some obstacles to tackle. But it is can be positive also.
Okay. Teacher and manager, what role would you prefer as a top priority? Being a teacher or being a manager, what would you prefer?
Ma'am, a teacher can be a good manager.
Then why teacher can be a good manager?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Why?
Because as a manager can manage the employees of an organization, the teacher manages and molds the young assets of our nation. So it's the teacher's vision and goals that guide the students. Like a manager is leading a company to growth, a teacher can lead the students to high potential.
What if your employees are not satisfied with your leadership?
Yes, ma'am, that situation can open in my journey. So I would engage into a conversation with them. If any fault is from my side, I am ready to hear the faults, and I am open to any criticism, positive criticism. And I would, if any fault is in my side, I would improve. That would also improve our team spirit in the company.
So how will you get to know the employees, like surveys or one-on-one talk, or what will you do?
If the time allows, one-on-one talks would be considered, and a survey would also be done, because if the employees are large, we should we should know the opinions of each and every employee. So survey could help.
How do you manage stress in your personal life?
Ma'am, I would do first of all, I would sit idle for some time and I think, because a peaceful atmosphere would give us the opportunity to think peacefully, and I can develop solution for the stress.
Why do you think you deserve Best Manager Award today?
Ma'am, I think I am confident. I have the qualities to be the best manager, and I think I have that ability to be the best manager. I can lead a group. I can build a strong motivation and leadership within my group.
Okay, so you're a manager, right? So I think you should portray in a way that we can do. You and your team can do. Okay, so as of we discussed, like you are committed to cover all the tasks whatever given to you. So which one you would neglect? If some task is given to you, what is the first task you would neglect to do it?
Like ma'am, if I don't, sorry ma'am, can
No, you or keep on accepting all the answers and you are good in all the skills. The task which you would neglect to do it.
Neglect?
Yes.
Ma'am, if something which is negative to my ideals, like every person has some philosophy, like I believe in honesty and trust. If my superiors say to me to do this, some criminal activity, I
Want to
can't.
be an honest employee then?
Yeah,
right?
I should.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.